Alrighty, we're back with week 12 of GoMining's Miner Wars, and this is our rewards for this week. But first, we're going to take a look at our total rewards, which is 0.016095808 Bitcoin, which equals out to, at current rates, of $1,693.17. Pretty good, considering our initial investment of $3,813.41 USD. 1% of that equals $38.13. Now, here's the fun part. Our return on investment so far is $1,693.17. So if we take $1,693.17 divided by 38.13, we get 44.4, which is our percentage. So our initial ROI so far is 44.14%, and we started mining last year on February 23rd, I believe it was. So right now, that is a very, very, very good ROI. Considering in the stock market, you're maybe getting 11%. That's if you're investing in an S&P 500 ETF. So let's go over the rewards for this week. We are at 0.000144401 Bitcoin. That's the reward I was paid out. That was also the pool reward because we have our GoMining being paid into our electricity and service fees. So we got the full payout of $14.72. And as you can see, last week that was only one block, but that was because I was in a different clan. Now, this week, I have actually started my own clan, which is Astro. Feel free to join. I'm the leader of it. I do have a second account on here with just 1 terahash that I'm using kind of just as a tester. And we do have 1, 2, 3 other people in the clan at the moment. It is open to the public. Feel free to join. There is no minimum requirements for terahash or boosting, but if you can boost, that always helps. Right now, I'm just going to throw a little boost in there. Just going to add that on there. You never know. So if my clan were to win a block right now, everyone would get paid out quite well, just because it's based off of percentage of terahash for rewards distribution. But overall versus solo mining, 1 terahash of power, winning 1 block is still a few dollars of a payout. So that's still very, very, very much worth it, rather than a few cents every day. You know what I mean? So feel free to join the clan. It is open to the public. There's no requirements. We're just here to have fun and here to win some personal rewards. Some of these good ones. We'll see you guys soon.